Eraser tool. We all know why we use eraser tool. Here also we use eraser tool for erasing or removing an object or a shape. The keyboard shortcut for eraser tool is X. Now let's see how this tool works. Here I'm drawing a square, like this. Fill it with some color and choose None for the outline width from the property bar. Now go to Toolbox and choose Eraser tool. Drag Eraser tool over the object. Here you can see nodes appearing on the erased area. You can adjust these nodes using Shape tool. Okay, let's check this. Go to Toolbox and choose Shape tool. Choose Nodes and move nodes as you wish. Note the shape of a raised portion of object is now changing. Properties of Eraser tool are Eraser thickness. Here we can specify the eraser thickness size. Auto reduce on erase, and circle or square. Here you can choose your eraser shape, either square or circle. Well, I hope you are clear with the concept of erasing some portions of an object by using Eraser tool. You can use Eraser tool to create different designs also. Try it out. Zoom and Hand tool. Zoom and Hand tools are very important tools in CorelDRAW X3. Let's see both one by one. Zoom tool is used for enlarging any object or any portion of object. The keyboard shortcut for Zoom tool is Z. Let's draw any object. Here I'm drawing a freehand drawing. Now I want to fill it with color, but as you can see I can't fill color as it's not a closed object. For a clear view, first zoom these portions. So for that, choose Zoom tool and just drag the cursor over that area. Note here, both the vertices are now easily visible. Choose both vertices by clicking each with Shape tool, by holding Shift key. Now, both are selected. Choose Join two nodes from the property bar, and now my object is closed and I can fill any color in this. Thus, when you are working with a meticulous portion of your drawing, then Zoom tool is the best option to zoom that portion so that you can easily work with it. Or if you want to zoom a particular portion of your work, then choose Zoom tool and drag it over that portion. Or if you have any more than one objects and you want to zoom all the objects on the page, just double-click the tool. Let's see properties of Zoom tool. Zoom level. This option helps to set the percentage value for zooming an object. Zoom in. This option will zoom or enlarge the object. Maximum value is 4,005,651%. Zoom out. This option used to reduce the object size. The minimum value is 1%. Zoom selected. This option will help to zoom only the selected object. Zoom to all objects. This option will help to zoom all the objects on page. Zoom to page. This option helps to zoom the object to the full page. Zoom can be applied to vertical and horizontals of the page. Thus, with the help of the Zoom tool, we can magnify objects to various magnification levels. Let's see other tools, that is, Hand tool. Hand tool helps us to pan objects in the window. The keyboard shortcut for Hand tool is H. Both Zoom and Hand tools work one-on-one. Let's see how it works. I'm going to draw a few objects on the drawing page. First, zoom the whole page. As you can see, it's really difficult to scroll the page. Instead of scrolling the page, just choose and drag the Hand tool over the object by holding the left mouse key. Hand tool is only effective when the objects are zoomed. Freehand tool. Freehand tool is a drawing tool used for freehand drawings, using lines and line segment. The keyboard shortcut for freehand tool is F5. Let's draw something using freehand tool. Go to Toolbox and choose freehand tool. If you want to draw a straight line, then click and release the mouse pointer and drag it and click it again where you want to end the line. Similarly, if you want to draw a freehand line, then click the mouse left button, hold it and draw your respective drawing. Let's check some of its properties. Object position, X and Y position of an object. Object size, width and height of an object. Other properties are scale factor, angle of rotation, flip horizontal and vertical. Start arrow head chooser. You can give an arrowhead in the start of any line. End arrowhead selector. You can give arrowhead in the end of the line too. Outline chooser. Auto close curve. This option will automatically close the open ends of an object. Outline width. Thickness of the line can be set. Freehand smoothing. The smoothing value can be given here. Hence, it's really easy to draw any drawing using freehand tool. Outline tool. As the name suggests, outline tool is used for giving border, stroke or outline. Let's see all the options one by one. Outline pen. Click the option, outline pen window will open. Keyboard shortcut for this option is F12. Here, color can be given for the outline. Value and unit for the outline width can be altered. You can use and edit styles for the outline. Corners and line caps can be adjusted. Arrowhead and arrow tail can be given to the outline and can be modified using options. You can use calligraphic style for outline by adjusting the stretch and angle value for nib. Draw any object on the page. Next option is Outline Color dialog box. The keyboard shortcut for this option is Shift plus F12. This option helps to apply color to outline. Just choose the option from the toolbox. As you click on it, Outline Color box will be opened. Here you can see 3 tabs: Model, Mixers, and Palettes. Under Model tab includes Model Type drop-down list, consisting of different color model types. In reference, both the old and the selected color can be seen. Components can give you the value of CMYK and RGB color mode, which can be edited according to your wish. Also, you can choose color by their name from the name option. Next is a Mixer tab. You can choose color according to the model, hues and variation from the swatch available. Value for palette and components can be specified. Next is Palette tab. Colors are categorized according to the environment like nature, people, miscellaneous, things and many more. This topic will be discussed in upcoming color lessons. You can choose specific size of outline or remove outline from your object